My name is Jackie Novak and I work at Rockline Industries as a process support technical writer. And at Rockline we make disposable paper products, which means coffee filters and wet wipes. So technical writing is basically we're making documentation and training materials for operators out on the floor for how to run equipment, how to do a process, an easy step-by-step way of doing something. We make it very visual, so we have pictures and step-by-step how to guide how to do something. We use a lot of input from the people on the floor to get the content because it's their document, it's what they need on the floor. So we use them to create that. So when creating technical documentation, sometimes we have to go out on the shop floor and take pictures. We want to make it very visual for people, as well as a written step on how to do something if we can. Sometimes we have a piping diagram or a layout a certain way that these components need to be fit together. So then we'll have a diagram that we drew up to show with different dimensions and which pieces go where. Because there wasn't a technical writing position before, when I got hired for this position, me and the other people that got hired, we were able to really put our signature on it, what we wanted it to look like. So there was no standard way the document needed to look. So then we were able to develop that. And having my skills in graphic design helped me to kind of learn to know how to lay out a page and have different things that visually people need maybe when they're going through a process or learning something. So it was really an interesting opportunity to be able to say, I designed the way that this looks and the way that this layout is. I never would have thought that I could be able to use my schooling, my graphic design schooling, in manufacturing. Because most people, I think, when they think of manufacturing, they think of things out on, just production based and don't really see beyond that. A lot of times people think manufacturing, they think production floor, that it's, a dirty, back-breaking job maybe. I think sometimes people think that, and that really isn't the case, especially here anyway. I find, the job to be very rewarding and very, I enjoy working with all different kinds of people and having those conversations and, working through problems and finding solutions. The most interesting thing about my job is that it's never the same every day. I come in and it's something different. There's a new request or somebody has a new idea for a way to document something. Somebody comes in and they're a new employee and they say, hey, we have this manual out here, it's a little outdated, we need to get it updated. And then they'll work with us to create that and do that. So we get to work with some new people that are coming in the door, meet new people, develop new processes and innovative solutions to solve problems. It's just amazing because it really is different every day.